What's up, guys? It's Sean from Window Tint Warriors, and I'm here to share you a quick tip, or even not even a tip. I'm gonna give you an insight to properly lighting your shop, to doing detailing for paint corrections, as well as window tinting, paint protection film, and ceramic coating to see high and low spots. Lighting is key, and the #1 searched question, most likely for all new shop owners or shop owners who are looking to give that extra edge in their production and their final finished image pictures, is what lights do I put on my wall? What kind of lights do I get for my detailing shop? What style of light should I use? What temperature light should I use? What do I use without breaking the bank? And that was my question. And after doing tons of research and seeing on tons of forums with posts from like 2013, I finally came up with my own solution. And I personally think it's so amazing that it's a disservice for me to not share it with all of you guys. So check this out. On this wall behind me, I have the lights out for a reason, obviously, because I'm gonna turn these on. You can see these strips here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 8-foot strips. Now these 12 8-foot strips cost me less than $120. Bam. If you were to use typical fixtures, fluorescent fixtures with converters and LED diffused tubes, you'd be paying well over $300, $400, $500, $600 probably. I'm not sure. I didn't even look those up because it was just so ridiculous to do. It wasn't worth my time to price that out. But these things are awesome. They come in a box of 8. They're $55. $55, ridiculous. Come in a box of 8, and you can link up to 8 together in one circuit and plug it into the wall. It comes with a plug, a standard plug, and a switch. I decided to go the hard wiring route. I did commercial grade wiring with conduit boxes and, well, junction boxes, and I tapped them into the junction box and set up its own breaker. So I did it the right way to make it look nice and neat and not get in any trouble if the fire marshal comes. So what I did is I hooked 2 up for each row. That gives me an 8-foot section. And since there's 8 in the box, I was able to get 4 rows out of each box. Now I'm gonna turn these on for you really quick, and I'm gonna put the link in the description for these, because even if you don't need them, just buy a couple boxes. They're freaking awesome. Watch this. Bam! That is crazy. That looks awesome. I set this up and my detailer came in today and he was like, whoa, this is awesome. Holy crap. And he loves working here now. He'll wash a car in the inside wash bay, pull it forward, do a paint correction, ceramic coating, check it out, and bam. So if you guys are looking for an LED solution, I believe these are 5500 Kelvin, 5500K, 5500 Kelvin. I don't think they're daylight, but they're bright enough to where they're bright enough and not too dark to where it doesn't smother or oversaturate imperfections in the paint. It's just enough lighting, which is diffused, to allow you to see the perfect amount of imperfections, and it's also awesome while you're tinting. So check it out. Link in the description. I'd like to help you guys. I hope you found this helpful. This should answer a lot of questions with lighting when it comes to detailing shops. And this, I don't even have my shop lights on. Those things are insane, but this just makes it even better. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.